Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your League of Legends game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the League of Legends game and make sure that you are logged into your account using the Riot Client app. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. From here, you can click on Get Started to start a new match. Now, if you wish to add any friends, then at the right side you will see the social menu where you will see the plus friend icon. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can simply enter the game name followed by the tagline in order to add your friend. So just type in the game name within the game name section and then enter their tagline and then click on the add friend button. Once your friend has been found, your request will be sent once you click on the add friend button. And after they have accepted your friend request, you will become friends on League of Legends and your friend will now be displayed within your social section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the League of Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.